What's up, y'all? I'm back, and of course I have a new item to show y'all. So we got a toilet brush. Yeah, I know, a toilet brush. Crazy, right? So this is my first time opening it, actually, and I received this from the brand called Sellemer. Yeah, Sellemer on Amazon, and I don't know how to open it. All right, so it says tips. Spray some toilet cleaners on the brush head and it will make it easier to clean your toilet. The second, pasting will reduce the stickiness of the patch. Please confirm you're pasting the correct place. Where are the instructions? They on the box. All right, so we got something to screw here. I'm guessing you just put this in there and screw it on. Okay, that one don't fit. So probably this one. What in the? Guess I just lift it. Oh. I'm like, what? Okay. All right. That's pretty easy. Let me show y'all because I could not figure this out. It's that simple. See? Yeah. Okay. All right. So this is what it looks like. Fresh out the pack, feel me? Okay, I think that's pretty cool actually. Cause it kind of keeps all the bacteria inside of here, you know? Just stick it in here, close the case. That works. All right, let's see how to screw it together. Okay, so it is this one. I thought it didn't fit, but just screw it on like this. And then take this one, screw it on like this. Wow, I must admit that's pretty cool. And it goes in here like this. So cool. All right, now I'm gonna show y'all how it works so we can put it to the test. Let's go. We'll get some of this. Okay. I like how it's so bendy and flexible. You can get all in the cracks and the crevices of the toilet. It gives a different feel. This is the old one, guys. And bam! What an upgrade. Spray it when you're done. So yeah, I just want to give a special thanks and shout out to Sellemer for sending me that toilet brush, because as y'all can see, it's a complete upgrade. So yeah, y'all know I'm gonna leave the link in my bio so y'all can check it out. Okay, bye!